Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic 6 Lite, and let me share with you how to enable the Night Light or Eye Comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to enter the display and brightness. I'd like to start with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So here all we have to do is to tap on the Eye Comfort and Sleep, and basically all we have to do is to simply either tap on Enable All Day or Scheduled, which is more here we've got the circadian night display, which means that your device will basically automatically adjust the screen color temperature based on your body rhythm to help you prepare a better night's sleep. So it's up to you. I'll start with Enable All Day, so let's simply tap on the switcher, and as you can see the screen immediately turns a little bit yellowish or even amber, basically just in order to filter the blue light. With the usage of the switcher, we can change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left, we can make it cooler, so it is almost invisible, and by going to the right, much warmer and more intense. So it's of course up to you which option you prefer to use, so set it like you want to. Which is more, we can schedule that feature, so simply tap on the switcher, and basically Enable All Day means that you will have to manually turn it on and off, and in the scheduled option you can simply change the start time and the end time, and of course your device will apply the Eye Comfort option accordingly. It's up to you. I prefer Enable All Day. So that was the customization of this mode, and if you want to have much faster access to it, all you have to do is to unroll the top bar, and let's unroll it fully because we have to find the icon which is connected with the Night Light or Eye Comfort mode, which is right here. So all you have to do is to tap on it to turn it on. As you can see, the the blue light filter will be applied, and of course you can turn it off the same way. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.